because we have a good valuation here. Their PE ratio is pretty reasonable. It's only 12 PE. You're looking at American companies right now that have PE ratios of like 40, 50. Tesla has 100 or 240 PE ratio, pretty low PE. And I know they're doing some very interesting stuff in AI. Both these guys and Alibaba have been doing some really cool AI stuff lately. I think that's why their stocks are up so much. So that's kind of what gets me interested in these two companies, right? Michael asks, what bots are available on the starter package for those of us who want to dip our toes in first? Anything in the marketplace. You can see all the stuff in the marketplace. All of this is available to you on the starter package, right? And we're going to be adding to this today as well, right? We're going to be constantly adding new stuff. So anything that you see here in the marketplace, this is available as part of starter package. So if you want to run the one that I'm running, for example, just come here, click start trading, and that's it, right? Or you could run a back test on it, or you can copy it yourself and kind of mess with the AI and modify it to do what you want to do, right? So all of this stuff here, quite a few algorithms now. We have 9 in the marketplace, and this is going to be growing quite quickly because we actually have quite a few. Oh, speaking of which, actually, this would be interesting. We have a bunch of algorithms that we have built over the years. I'm actually thinking maybe we could run one of those. That's not a bad idea. There's one. So this is for those of you that sign up to a pro package. You've seen this before. We have 47 different bots here on GitHub, and these are all available to you if you join our pro plan. We have not moved these over to our marketplace yet, but there's one in here in particular that I've been thinking about lately. It's our Options Condor Martingale. So this is a bot that back in the day we spent a lot of time building. For those of you that have been part of Lumi Wealth for a while, you may have remembered we spent months building this thing. This is pre-AI. Pre-AI, we spent months building this thing, and basically we created something that trades something called Iron Condors. Which Iron Condors, if you have ever traded them, basically they make money when the stock market's pretty chill, right? The stock market's chill, it makes good money, right? So basically it will buy, I think what it does is it sells options, right? So it sells a call and a put and then buys a call and a put further out. So it's like it's making money on the inside and then protecting yourself from big losses on the outside. So that's what an Iron Condor is. So it looks kind of like this, Iron Condor. For those of you that trade options, this will be very familiar. This is an Iron Condor, right? So if we zoom in here, basically you buy, it's buy 2 options or sell 2 options and then buy 2 options, right? So you sell 2 in the middle here and you buy 2 on the outside, which means that if the price of the underlying does not move that much, then you end up making money. So you collect a premium. It's like this thing that just collects money on a regular basis, right? So it's a pretty cool algorithm because like it's like little increments. Like you're not making money from these big splashy gains, but you're collecting a little bit of money each time around. And I think this was the one that has been working quite well. I think it was either version 10 or version 30. I think version 10, if we look at it here, this one had a really nice back test, 300% a year. I'd say that's pretty damn nice. And I think version 30 was doing pretty well too. We've been running these on BotSpot for a bit. Let's take a look at this.
Okay, like what you saw? See the strategies we've created in the marketplace or create your own with our powerful trading AI at www.botspot.trade.